I'm Megan Lynn, and I'm the founder and owner of Baby International. Today I'm going to show you how to create your own personal signature on Gmail. I use Gmail for all of my business accounts, and it's super easy to use, super friendly, and I really like it. So when you're in your inbox right here on your Gmail account, go to the gear wheel that's settings, and you're going to go to settings. Go all the way down. You can add a picture that's visible, and here is where you have your signature. So you can opt to have no signature. I always recommend having a signature because it looks more professional and it's almost like your business card. You can have all of your information on there without having to write it every time you email somebody. So for your signature, if you have a business, put your full name, put what your business is. If you have a brick and mortar or physical address, go ahead and put that on there, and then what your office telephone number is. A lot of entrepreneurs might also put their cell phone numbers on there. I have a Google Voice account, so my quote-unquote office number right here is actually my Google Voice number, which is tied to my cell phone. So it still comes through on my cell phone, but it's not my actual cell phone number, which is really helpful. So that is how you make a signature. And again, you can always, change the font, you can make it bold, you can change the color of it, you can really play around with it. You can add an image. Some people like to insert their logo down there. Totally up to you, but this is going on all of your emails. So that is how you create a signature. That's it. And then whenever you make changes, click down here, save changes, and done. Hope that's been helpful. Thank you so much for watching our channel. If you like what you see, please make sure you like and subscribe. If you want to see more content like this and have suggestions for us, make sure you comment below.